Hello guys, this is the new GLE 450 and today I am solving this problem. One side armrest is not opening. One side opening and one side is not opening. So nowadays the service kit is available for fix only. No need to replace complete arm set. So this is the problem. If you will press this, then it will come out as like. For repairing this armrest on the front, one side cover is not opening, so we have to remove this AC vent, and you can see here is the lock. So one lock is here and also one lock is here. So if I will push this one lock outside, then it will come out. Or after removing this AC vent, one screw is behind of this AC vent, so we have to remove also this one. After that this will come out, then we can install new repair kit. This came out. Now this AC vent. Here is the one screw. After removing this screw, here is the one screw. It's a T20 number. Then need to push this outside. So this is the spring. Due to this spring, this is armrest is not coming out. Due to this spring, so we have a repair kit for this one. We will install new. This is the repair kit. There are two springs, and this is the bracket right side and one is left side. First spring, then this one, and this is the lock. This will hold the spring. So these are the repair kit for this one. I will fix as like this. First I will install this spring. Here is the spring. Now it's working. Then I will fix this lock. This lock will go as like this. Then we have this tool. I'll fix this one. I am using this 45 number Allen key, and with use of this one it will go easy in this armrest lock. Otherwise too much difficult to push inside. So I push inside in this tool, then I will fix easy. After fixing these two lock, make sure this proper gap should be maintained. between this lock and this stopper, spring stopper, otherwise this came out. So now I solved the problem and fix this one.